Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, India curry mince. We're gonna make nachos with them. It's gonna be freaking delicious. Anyway, I got this recipe from a subscriber and friend of mine, Kiwi Matt. He's from New Zealand, a New Zealander. And he sent me the recipe thinking, you know, hey, I'm gonna do this recipe and see what you can do with it. He's got a great channel. Go check him out. It's Kiwi Matt. I'll put him up top here. Does music reviews and stuff like that. When you go to this channel, comment on a video, tell him, hey, Cooking with Corey sent me. Alright, let's get this deliciousness going next. It's a great recipe. Let's get it going. Let's make some nachos next on Cooking with Corey. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot going on today as far as flavor. I'm going to put the recipe down in the description because this is going to be hard to follow because there's tablespoons and teaspoons and all that stuff. So I'll put it down there. But let's just go over. This is quickly. Gouda cheese, that'll be our cheese. We got some jalapeno. We got some white onion. We won't be seeing Chop-O-Matic today. We will do a tutorial on how to chop an onion. Olive oil, fresh tomatoes, canned tomatoes, fennel, cardamom, ground ginger, turmeric, red curry, garlic. Did I say jalapenos already? I don't know, probably did. And some good old ground chuck if I haven't said that. Anyway, let's go over it quickly. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 onion chopped, 1 clove of garlic, which we will show you what's going on with that, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red curry powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom. We don't have fennel powder, we got fennel seeds, so we will crush that in our mortar and pestle with our garlic. Alright, let's get this going on. Recipe will be in the description. Alright, let's learn how to chop an onion. We got an onion, which I have, was like this. I peeled them, I cut them in half, and I still got my root ends intact there, as you can see. So, there we go. Take your knife, and alright, you put it like this, and you go down, and this is where you want to see how big a chunks you want, you know, so however big chunks you want, you go down with your knife, it's nice and slow, so everybody can see. Boom. Alright, everything cut that way, see that? Alright, excellent. So, we're going to take our onion, now, once again, however big is however big you want to be here. So you're going to take your knife and go this way, through, and then this way, through. Alright, so now, as you can see, look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, now all we got to do is take our onion. Oh, you see there's already got some deliciousness falling out of it. Like so. Take our knife, and our bigger chunks you want, just go through it like that. You got nice, delicious chunks of onion. Look at that. All right. Beautiful. All right. Let's to the side. This is the side. And what you do with the heel of the onion, or the root end of the onion, is you take it like this, and you just go around it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Boom, take it over. You should end up with a little piece like that, maybe even a little less. Throw that to the wayside. Run your knife through that. And that, peeps, is how you chop an onion. Alright peeps, as you notice, we got a mortar and pestle here. We're going to move that to the side. We got our clove of garlic. That's just going to go right into our mortar and pestle. I forgot to mention fresh basil. It was on the board and I forgot to mention it. Let's just roll that up into a little cigar. Run our knife right through it real quick. Beautiful. That goes into our mortar and pestle like so. I said we had fennel seed, not fennel powder, so we gotta break this down a little bit, and this is why we're doing this. Garlic, 1 teaspoon. Get it in there. That goes in there. And then we just beat the heck out of our garlic, beat the heck of our our basil. We're gonna break everything down. Let's get on to that mince next. All right, we got our pan going over here, medium-high heat. Give it some olive oil. A couple tablespoons. Get our pan going. And what we're doing here is we're gonna wake up some flavors. So we're gonna add our small onion that we diced up and our spices. So what do we got here? We got our ginger powder, a teaspoon, our turmeric powder, a teaspoon, our red curry powder, a tablespoon, and our ginger powder, a teaspoon. So that goes into the mix. That will wake up those flavors. Everything's going to be grand there. And we're just going to let that roll. Alright, everybody's waking up. The flavors are waking up there. Our mora and pestle, our basil, our garlic. That's going to go in there next. Get that going in. You can definitely use powdered garlic. And you can definitely use dried basil. But I had some fresh in the store that I saw. And I thought I might use those up. Oh, you can smell the garlic already. And the basil. Alright. 1 minute, we'll get our ground beef in. Okay, all is well and smelling delicious around here. In fact, with clean hands, let's get our ground beef going in here. Like so. What we'll do is we'll break this ground beef down, get it enjoying the flavors that we got going on in there. Right now, I gotta wash these meaty hands. We'll be back. Look at us go, look at us. Our ground beef is broken down, looking good. It needs salt, so we need to add salt. So we're gonna add salt. A nice healthy pinch of kosher salt. It does need that. No pepper. Or a can of tomatoes. Put that in there. Alright. Right, let's reduce. Our mince is done, ladies and gentlemen. Reducing over a high simmer for a good 10 minutes. Alright, that's done. Let's go to the wayside. Turn off the burner. Build some nachos. Can't wait. Alright, let's build some nachos, ladies and gentlemen. Already started. Just got the regular nacho chips on a sheet pan. The 9 sheet pan. Nice big little sheet pan here. Get your chips on it. You probably can't hear me now because this bag is crunkling everywhere. And I dropped it, so there's a lot of little pieces of chips. But yeah, neighbors are gonna have some of this, and we're gonna have some of this. So get a nice big pile of chips on there. All right, get them all around. Looking good. Get them in all corners. Smoked Gouda, which I shredded. Remember that little puck of smoked Gouda? There it is. We'll give that just a little here, just to get everything started. Just a little bit. Get it all around. All right, our mince. That mince we worked so hard on. I'll tell you what, this is good eats. It's good stuff. It's really good over rice. You want to do over rice? That's what Matt said too, and he is correct. So this get it all over our chips. We want it all over our chips, don't we? We want to have all that delicious curry flavor, India flavor in our Indian nachos. And Matt over there at Kiwi Matt, he uses nacho cheese chips, but you know, I think this will just be fine this way. Get her all in there. Get her all in there. Don't be shy. Now it's not the time to be shy with your mince on your nachos. You want to make nachos? Make nachos. Don't be jerking around with it. Make you some nachos. All right, looking great. Looking absolutely spectacular. I mean, come on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, off camera. There was jalapenos done. There was tomatoes done. There was another onion chopped. So on top, here we go. Fresh Roma tomatoes will go on top here like so. Get them all around. It's gonna be a long take, guys, I'm sorry. I'm all around, I'm trying to hurry. Don't be missing spots, try to get all in your corners. Our jalapenos, impeccably clean hands, by the way, as usual on Cooking with Corey. Jalapenos, get them all over the place, down in there. All right, excellent. Some more raw chopped onion right here on top. We'll go on top. Absolutely. There you got it. I got my oven warming up to 450 degrees, and it's going to go in there for, I don't know, it's going to take more than 10 minutes, I wouldn't think. Smoked Gouda over the top. I do got some more. Other than this right here. Hit all your pockets. All right. India curry nachos, 450 gravin, 10 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Are you ready to see this? Indian curry nachos. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so delicious. And here they are. I just took them out of the oven. I mean, look at that. Come on. And I was thinking, you know, when they were cooking, I was like, you know, and I always do this with food. I must be the chef in me. How can I make the little flavors pop a little more after the fact? So, you know what I thought? Hey, Corey, slice up some pepperoncinis. Yeah! So let's do a little bit of that over the top. I did about 8 of those pepperoncinis. This is a big old sheet pan of nachos. There we go. Indian curry nachos. Kiwi Matt over there from New Zealand. That's his recipe on the mince or the ground meat, that is. All right, here we go. Let's take a bite. Mmm. Phenomenal. Oh my God. Little pepperoncini. All right, there you got it. You're all in quarantine, so something different that you can make. Nachos for the whole family. Big old pan of them. Or for, you know, binge on some Netflix. Watch the Ozarks on Netflix. Really good to watch. Anyway, that's it for Cooking with Corey this week. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. Stay safe, peeps.